Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider, and today we're talking about a special airdrop which is being launched on Solana network known as the ASSISTER network or the ASSISTER blockchain infrastructure. So if you go over to cryptorank.io you come over to this website. As you can see, they've raised $1.70 million in funding, and as you can see here, this is their investors, are those who have partnered and invested with them. There are quite a lot, so maybe with time we'll see more investments. So you can see the 20 minutes airdrop, and it just launched recently, and you can see the instructions below. If you complete following, you'll be eligible for airdrop. You can see ASSISTER network has a testnet in which we can farm ASSISTER points. These points will be converted into tokens in the future. So this is an airdrop we should not fade. So, and it's quite easy to do. So I'm going over to the X page to know how legit they are. So if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and if you've been watching my videos, thank you. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe and share this video. So your ASSISTER network on X, can see they are currently 358,000 followers, so you don't get to follow a wrong page, so do well to follow them also. So it's an AI project that is in the focus of specialized AI models and agents, and that they are majorly a small language model that helps users to create groundbreaking AI agents that can help build a lot of products and infrastructure. So they actually have utility, so it's not like a meme coin or a meme token that have utility. So it's an airdrop that we should all get involved. So this airdrop will be making use of our Phantom. So you can download the Phantom wallet from the Play Store if you don't have it already. You can also use your Soulflare wallet to do this. If you're using a PC, you can do the extension. So you go back to the account section. So in order for you to change your account, because don't use a wallet where you have funds to connect this in order for you to be safe. So on the bottom left corner, click there and come over to the session. So copy the referral link from my description and then paste it here in the URL, and then allow it to load. So it's loading. So to bring you to this page where you have to connect your wallet. So since you are using a wallet to do this, it will be much easier. So select wallet. So if you bring the pop-up, so Phantom is already there, so connect with your Phantom. Connect. Once you're connected, you have to also sign. This is where you sign, confirm. So it brings you to this page where you have to create a username. So you can edit some username of your choice. So me, I'll be using the Crypto Insider. Okay, Crypto Insider test 3. So next, it's now bring you to this dashboard where you have to connect your Twitter accounts and your Discord account. So as a farmer, you need to have both accounts, Twitter and Discord. So we'll go ahead to connect our Twitter account, and you can also decide to skip if you want, but I'll be connecting my Twitter account first. So click. Okay, I've already connected it, so I'll just authorize the app. Loading. So back to this place. So as you can see, I got 5 points, 5 ASSTER for connecting my Twitter. So the next, we'll be going over to connect our Discord account. So I've not logged in my Discord account, so I have to sign in. So because of time, I'm going to speed this up. So I've authenticated my Discord. So go over to click on start building. So you see I already have 40 points to bring us here to this page. So go over to the three lines by the upper left, you see, then click on home. So over at home you see more quests that can give you points. Then you can see join server to unlock role, follow them on X, like their tweet, repost, subscribe. You can also put this on their screener for you to get all these points. You can see below invite friends, and you can see where you can copy your referral link. So copy and share. So I think that's basically everything. Thank you for watching. So do well to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Turn on your post notifications too, and my Telegram channel is in the description. Also join. See you next time.